Good day everyone, I am Manuel L. Cuarez, and I am here to demonstrate how to program a Danfoss VLT Automation drive. So here is my circuit. This is the circuit for the setting up Danfoss VLT Automation drive. So I'm gonna tackle this. I am gonna tackle on what parts are we are using. So here we have the supply line. So this is our source of power, and the supply line is connected to the Danfoss VLT Automation drive. So also there are push buttons which are connected to the Danfoss VLT Automation drive. So the green push button is the start button, and the red button is the stop push button. So in this stop right here, we have also the potentiometer. So these are going to be the inputs for the Danfoss VLT Automation drive. So now let's proceed to the other part of the circuit, which is the three-phase motor. So this three-phase motor is connected to the Danfoss VLT Automation drive, and the motor is grounded so that we can avoid electrical complications. So now that I have discussed what is the parts that we are gonna use, we are going to learn how to program Danfoss VLT Automation drive by using a simulator. So we have a simulator which is a LCP simulator, and this simulator is what we're gonna use to program the automation drive. So as you can see in here below, this is the motor nameplate, and this is what we're gonna base our values. So we're gonna get the values here to input into the LCP simulator. So let's begin. So first thing we need to do is to press off, turn off. Then we're gonna have to go to main menu, and under main menu we're gonna go to special functions and click OK to go to special functions, and we're gonna go to reset functions and click OK. And now we're gonna go to set the operation mode. So this is the operation mode, and what we need to do is we need to set it to initialization. So we're gonna press OK, and after pressing OK, we're gonna select initialization. So we have initialization, and then you press OK. Then let's go back. And we're gonna go to quick menu. I think let's go back because I think it's so we're gonna go to quick menu. I pressed the main menu by mistake, so by main menu we go to quick setup, and under quick setup we can see that this is the language setting. So you can choose any language you prefer, but for now we're gonna use English because this is the language that we are commonly using. So I'm gonna go press down and we're gonna set the motor power. So motor power, so we're gonna get the motor power and we're gonna get the value for the motor power. So as you can see in the nameplate, we have the 5 horsepower, so we need to convert it to kilowatts. So we have a table that we can use for that, and this is and as we refer to the table, if you have a 5 horsepower motor, then the value will be 4 kilowatt. So it's 4 kilowatt. Then I see that it is already 4 kilowatts, so we're just gonna leave it as it is and press down, and we're gonna go to motor voltage. And as we can see in the motor nameplate, we have a 460 volts. So I'm gonna input 460 volts, 460, and press OK. And now we're gonna go to motor frequency. Now in our motor nameplate, we can see that the frequency is 60 Hertz, so we're gonna set it to 60 Hertz. 60, and press OK. The motor current. Now, to get the motor current value, we need to multiply the current and multiply it to the serial factor, which is 1.15, and we're gonna multiply it 6.7 times 1.15, so 7.70. So we need to set it at 7.70. We press OK, and we go press down. So the motor nominal speed. In the nameplate, we can find the motor nominal speed here, which is the RPM. RPM is equals to 1,750. So we're gonna set this one as 1,750. 1,750. We'll press OK. So the ramp up time. So the ramp up time we're gonna use is 15 seconds. So we need to edit it as 15 seconds. And also with the ramp down time, the same as the ramp up time, which is 50 seconds also. And we press OK. So the motor speed low. So I think we're gonna leave it as it is. We're gonna leave this as it is. Then the motor speed high. So refer to the nameplate, which is 1,750. So we need to edit this value, 1,750. And I think that's it for the, that's it for now. We go back. So now we're gonna go to main menu, and we're gonna go to digital in and out. Main menu, digital in and out. And we're gonna go to digital inputs. And we need to set the values. These values are for the push buttons right here. So we need to set the green one, which is terminal 18. We need to set the terminal 18 as latch start. And press OK. And go and terminal 27, which represents the stop push button, we're gonna set it to stop inverse. And press OK. And it's done. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to analog menus, analog in and out, and we're gonna go to analog input output mode. Okay, analog input 53 rather. Now that we are at analog input 53, then we are now gonna go to 6-15, and we're gonna set the value to 1750, which is the RPM of our motor. So we're gonna click OK. Then 81750. It's okay. Okay. And then we're gonna go back to the main menu, and we're gonna go to reference, limits, and we're gonna go to max reference, which is 1750. Okay. And there we go. We have set the maximum reference to 1750. So now we are gonna try status and auto on. And we're gonna press status, then auto on. So as you can see, it is ramping. So there we go. Now this is how you program Danfoss VLT Automation drive using LCP Simulator. So I hope you have learned something, guys, and thank you for watching, and have a good day.